Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. Now we will see how to delete a typed row. The typed table adapter class provides a method called delete. We can use this method to delete a row in the backend database. The method is used to delete the database records. Now let us proceed with the example to delete a database record. So here if you see, we create the adapter, right, jobs table adapter. Then here we are making call to the delete method, and we pass our job ID, description, minimum level and maximum level as parameter. Once you pass the exact row to delete, the call to delete will succeed and it will supply the relevant delete SQL statement to the backend database. Here if you see, we take lbl job id.text and report that the specific job ID is deleted. After reporting that, we make use of adapter.getData because here delete was already performed, and when you make a call to adapter.getData, the job table returned will not have the deleted record. Say for example, if you deleted the job ID 19 or the record identified by the job ID 19, that will be deleted by this call, right? So after making the delete call, here we are making use of the get data. Now the table adapter will fill the job data table, right, jobs data table. Then we rebind our list box control with this new job data table. That means you will not see the deleted ID in the list box. Alright, now we will go to the demo.